Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're looking at this awesome micro RC tank. Okay guys, so this is the package that the little tank comes in. Really nice, really neat, it's quite a decent look to it. So this really struck my interest on Amazon because of a couple of things really. It's 1 in 72nd scale, so absolutely tiny. Secondly, it's a turbo tank, so I was interested to see what that meant. And thirdly, it's fully manoeuvrable with working turret, firing turret, and also onboard sound effects as well. Now another really interesting factor about this tank is that it runs on one little one-cell LiPo and it's charged by 4 AA batteries from the transmitter. If we just look at the back of the box here, you can see that the tank actually comes in two variants. It comes in the sort of dark green camo, jungle camo effectively, and then desert camo as well. Alright, let's have a look inside this thing, because I'm intrigued to see kind of what it can do. Look at it, it's so cool. Turret, yeah, definitely moves. Oh wow. Transmitter, aerial, screwdriver, and a little instruction guide. I just stick the aerial in there. Looks like the charger lead is here on the side of the transmitter. Takes you 4 AA batteries. Looks like we've got a firing button, forward, backwards, reverse, turret rotation. Looks like you've got steer left, steer right, and maybe turn the tracks or something. Let's have a look and see in a minute. The tank itself is absolutely exquisite. That is amazing. Look at that, and the tracks do genuinely work as well. That is incredible. I love this. One of the coolest little RCs I think I've ever bought. It's tiny, absolutely. Got Tiger written on it. It looks like you've got the sort of speaker at the bottom here. You've got a little charging port, on-off switch. So let's plug it in, get it charged up, and we'll see what this thing is all about. Go ahead and switch this thing on. So the left hand button fires, the right hand button turns the turret, and when you let go, it'll go the other way. Forward is forward, backwards is backwards. On the right hand side here, if you want to turn left or right, you press these, so left, forwards, right, forwards. Really simple. You've got a turbo button. When you press this, the tank goes about twice the speed.
So cool. Speed mode. That's so cool.
As always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.